Hello everyone. Let's see how to fill college admission form online. Firstly, go to Google and click on Google Lens and scan the QR code given. Click on the link. You will be directed to App Store or Play Store and download the Qviple app from App Store or Play Store and install it on your device. After installing the app, open the app, select language, click on admissions, and on admission either you can scan the given QR code or can continue with the college code given in the instructions as well. After scanning the QR code, you will be directed to select the stream and year. Then select the stream and year. Enter your login ID and click on get OTP. If you get pop-up like this, then either you are entering your login ID incorrectly or you are not eligible or you are not in the list. Enter the correct login ID and click on get OTP. OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the received OTP on the mobile number. And after entering the OTP, you will be directed to filling the form. Then fill the entire form. And click on next. Fill the entire form. And after the preview of the form, verify all the details and click on apply. After apply, you will be also again prompted to select the language and you will be directed to the dashboard. On dashboard, you can download your form. Just click on download admission application form and your form will be downloaded. Take a printout of this form and visit college with required documents and the printed form. And after your document verification, you will receive a payment link. You will also get a notification for making payment online. Refresh on the dashboard, and on dashboard itself you will get a pay admission fees button. Click on pay admission fees, click on pay and confirm, and you will be able to pay fees online via your preferred payment gateway or your preferred payment mode. After your fees has been paid, either online or offline, you will receive the receipt on dashboard itself. Just refresh on the dashboard and you will be able to download your receipt. And after downloading your receipt, your admission will be confirmed. For any other queries after your admission, you can reach out to us in the support section. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.